We would like to share with you our way how we work with the rhinoceros beetle, which attacks the palm trees and kills the whole tree. The rhinoceros beetle is throughout all of Southeast Asia. So we have 3 different ways. One, we use to feed the tree, and we show it how we do that. Here we have a piece of bamboo. We cut the bamboo in our garden, and then we cut it in smaller pieces, and we put it around the tree, 3 or 4 pieces, in order to feed the tree with compost tea. And the next one is climbing the tree and cleaning all the leaves on top of the tree and applying a fungus which disturbs the bug. And the third one is we go through the compost and look for larvae and look for the beetle. And this has helped us over the past few years to reduce it tremendously. So here you have a picture of how the bamboo is cut and pointed. And here it is placed around the tree, usually 3 pieces per tree, to feed the roots, to give the tree the strength to resist the beetle. The beetle is a very, very powerful little animal. And here we make the compost tea. The compost tea is a combination of our best compost mixed with water and then oxygenated for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, it is taken immediately to the tree and fed into the bamboo tubes. Here you see the feeding of the bamboo tubes. This happens about once a week. We either use compost tea or we use effective microorganisms, one or the other. Here's the third one hidden away. And here we have our 2 young Cadet and Ketut, who are preparing themselves to climb the trees, and they're preparing a plastic bottle which will be filled with fungus and water in certain proportions. They will carry it on their back up the trees. And with that liquid, they clean the leaves, especially the young leaves on top. Here is the famous fungus, Metarrhizium anisopliae, which does not harm any bees or any other animals. It is, we chose it on purpose because it is not affecting anything else. And here we have a very special contraption by one of our climbers. It's a metal contraption which looks like a ladder. He is putting it up on the tree. He told me he got it in China. I've never seen it before. It's the first time. And he has his liquid on the back, his sickle with him, and now you see him marching up the tree, like on a ladder. These trees are very tall, they're 30 meter plus. And he moves all the way up to the crown of the tree, tip of the tree, in order to see what's going on there. He will cut all the dead leaves, and then he will also wet the most sensitive leaves in the inside of the tree with his liquid. Here we have the other young man. He's climbing without the machine. He climbed very, very fast. And here we're having the dried leaves and dead leaves coming down, trees being cleaned. And last not least, we examine our compost every so often in order to find larvae. The rhinoceros beetle loves to put the eggs in the compost. And here we have the larva, and there is the beetle. It's actually a very beautiful beetle.